Hello guys, and welcome to React Tailwind. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful newsletter with Tailwind CSS. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful hover effect with Tailwind CSS, this background gradient. Also I'm going to show you how to customize input field with Tailwind CSS. Also it's fully responsive guys. If you see, it's fully responsive. So let's start. I have already created a React project with Vite. Let's add some classes. Relative py at the first will be 16, and the small screen will be 24, and the large will be py will be 48. The background color will be green and 100. Isolate. If you don't know what's the isolate mean, I have explained it in the previous video. The background overflow will be hidden. Let's add another div. Some classes. px will be 6, lg px will be 8, and mx auto max width will be 7xl. See, let's add another div and some classes. The display will be grid, and the small screen it will be column 1, and the large screen it have grid column 2. Max width will be 2xl, and the large screen the max width will be none, and the mx will be 0. Gap will be 16. Let's set another div. Some classes max width will be xl, and the large max width will be lg. The header, add some classes. Text will be 3xl, same text will be 4xl, font will be bold, and text will be white. Sorry, tracking will be tight, and the text will be white. See. Also let's add the lorem ipsum 10, some paragraphs. The margin will be 4, margin top mean. Text gray 300, and leading will be 8. So I'm going to add some classes. Flex max width will be md, margin top will be 6, gap x will be 4, input field name email, id will be email, and it will be required. Some classes. Min width will be 0, max width will be md, rounded will be md, border will be 0, and the background will be white. Let's have an opacity to the background. px will be 3.5, py will be 2.5, text will be white. I want to add some rank 1, width will be full, ring will be white 10, and focus, in the focus ring will be 2. Also in the focus ring will be inset, and in the focus within ring will be blue 500, and the sm text will be sm. Let's add the small screen the leading. See, check guys. Autocomplete will be email, and placeholder will be enter your email. Wow, great. Let's have the button. Subscribe, class, flex done, rounded md, bg blue. And to make the video some a little bit in speed,